This could all go very wrong. This time we're going to be doing chrome deletes, light tints and window tints on this Maserati. We have already tinted these rear tail lights in Steck PPF tint, 5-year guarantee, fully road legal. Just going to jump on these ones and then we'll get cracking on the window tints. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so 500 by 300. 500 by 300. Have to excuse the mess today. It's been busy. 500 by 300. We're going to get 500? No, you won't, because it's not wide enough. I have to go that way. 500 is there. Alright. Oh, you need to be careful with these things. Wound. Scalpel wound. That was last week's episode. It actually went right in as well. It's quite a deep one. 2 rear lights. PPF. You can have light, you can have dark, you can have yellow, all sorts. Let's go. It's got a bulbous, it's got like a bulge. Do we go that way or do we go that way? I think we give it a go that way. So, first of all, slip and slide. Oh, for goodness sakes. Cleaning, make sure all dust is removed. We have already cleaned them with ISO. We are just removing any other dust particles. So we're going to put a little bit of tack down there. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Tell there was no bubbles in it. This is leaking. Can anyone recommend good spray bottles? I have tried many different ones and they all leak. And it's only water in there. And they still leak. Right, so. We're going to put that on there, like that. We're going to tack it on the body, like that. Nice and easy. Oh no, need more tack. Not tacky enough. Let's try again. That's a bit better. So we tack it in the middle there. We can let this edge relax. Now we need to... Someone's singing out there. Okay, that's gone in quite nicely in the bulbous. Well, that went surprisingly better than I thought it was. That's the thing with modern day lights, is they're so like lumps and bumps everywhere. Pickety pow, pickety pow. Ow! Little bit of tack. Bada bing, bada boom. And then we'll leave that to dry before we trim it up. But that is what we're looking for. No tension on any of the edges. If you're looking for light tints, give us a shout. What should we do next? Window tints? Let's get the window tints out of the way. I do enjoy my job, but window tints aren't my favourite. Just cleaning, again, cleaning, making sure minimal contaminants. This is just a glass scrubber. You can get them on Amazon. Basically like a soft scouring pad. Works really well. Do the outside, do the inside again, and then again, and then again. Make sure all is good, and then we can put some tint on and begin tinting. Should be a window cleaner, or not. Thing, don't they? You don't get any lines. Not too sure how they do that. We have to go in, spray some water inside of his car.
Dark in there all of a sudden.
Yeah. Pull that. Pull. Oh dear. Yeah. What are you looking at? I need to get these out. I need my trim tool. We need to remove pillars to stop fluff. Who said it was a good idea to tint windows? And people say it's easy. This boot is massive. My legs keep going. I'm taking this off so that the dust doesn't go in here. Oh, one. Where am I going to put it? Put it in there. Moving to the other side. Is this my good side? Oh. They come out relatively easy. Sometimes they can be a right pig. Right. That's going to be tight to get in there, isn't it? I'm not taking the parcel shield out. Do you reckon we take it out? fingering the hole. Oh, oh, oh dear. You gonna get me my Allen key so we're getting out, please? I don't know if you need it. You don't need it! It's got to be plugged in. There's got to be a brake light in there somewhere. There is a brake light in there. Hey, why have they stuck it right in the corner there? So much more room, and it's not furry, which means we're not going to attract the fur monsters into the tint. Tinting of the windows. Cleaning of the windows. What are you looking at? My abs are getting a workout. I don't have any, but they're getting a workout. Oh, I need my squeegee. Oh. One thing I never learnt when you did window tints, how clean you have to be. You have to be like so clean. Stay tidy. I thought you had to be clean when you did wrapping. And then I started doing PPF, and then you had to be even cleaner. And then I started doing window tints. Right. Okay, well let's go and put the tint on the outside. You've probably seen on YouTube different ways of tinting windows and what people do. Everyone does it differently, I think. That's what I've found out. Jay's making a noise with the polisher. So what we do is I'm going to put some cutting tape just around this dot matrix line, and that just gives me the extra protection from scratching the glass with the knife. There's different ways you can do it. You can buy like a tint button that goes under the tint. You can use stainless steel blades. Apparently they don't scratch the glass. You could just do it lightly, but I always just put a strip of cutting tape round just to make sure. So yeah, let's do that. Cutting tape. Made by 3M. So some people might say it's a waste of time. Some people might say that's good practice. But this is how I do it. So also gives you a nice tidy line to follow. And it only takes 2 minutes to put it on. So okay, that is our line. That is the shape our tint needs to be. Let's go and get some tint. Let's put these away. Done with those. That's rubbish. It's rubbish. Rubbish, rubbish, rubbish. Rubbish. How much rubbish is there? Let's keep that there. We need to go measure our window. And why do we have to cut it down the roll? Because that's the way the material shrinks. It shrinks top to bottom. It doesn't shrink left to right. I need one of those like extra long snitties for help cutting. And that should be our tint. Right, to the vehicle. Don't say that. Why would you say that? Jay just said it's going to wrinkle. Talk about having faith. Jay obviously has no faith. Trying to get my fingernail under it.
What are you doing?
Reverse rolling.
What's that mean?
Means I'm going to roll it up.
What have we got to do in reverse?
Because if I roll it the other way, it will be the wrong side when I stick it on the inside. So I've never done it before, because I've never had to. I don't know if you need to do this. I'm just doing it to get rid of dust. A lot of people might be saying that is a waste of time, but I don't really know. So I'm just cleaning it before I roll it. Can't do any harm, surely. Well, I haven't been tinting windows very long. 7 or 8 months. Shout out to the Vinyl Academy. This could all go very wrong. Come on. Now we have to roll it up. This is gonna go so f***ing wrong. So if I roll it up on this side, it has to go in on that side. It's quite slippy. So this is called reverse rolling. And I got told to do it as tight as possible. You can see the liner taking the shorter distance. So the liner is lifting up, which means it will come out the end which means we'll be able to get it.
The inside, and then you just literally separate them apart. Leave that as it is for a minute. Grab another bit of tin.
Yeah.
Like, put that to the side somewhere because it's rolled up now. It's fine. It's wet.
Okay.
And then do a little practice with another bit of tin so you can figure it out.
Okay, but what you're saying is I basically pick that up now, go in this side.
Yep. Start on this same corner.
Like that.
Yeah.
And then pull the liner out from underneath.
Get the tint started. Get the tint stuck to the glass. So the liner's going to go to your left now.
Ah, I've got you. Okay, yeah, I've got you.
Yeah.
And I was getting confused because I hadn't rolled it over on itself.
Okay.
So split that, go in there.
And then go to your left.
Yeah.
The backing paper will go to your left as you're sticking the tint to the window.
Got ya. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in my head now. I've done it. Okay, cheers, mate. Hold that. Got it? Mm-hmm. Oh, no. Right, pass me that. Where's the material gone? Where's the liner gone? But the liner's still on the inside. Oh, God. Right. Well, that's that one done. That's that window done. Rear light tint's done. So I haven't got a left one, so I can't tell you.
You've done a good job there, mate. That's the best ones I've seen you do.
You're not using the jack. Health and safety. It's over there.
Oh, hey, Jacks.
Jay, I was trying to do a video and you're in the... Okay, so the Maserati windows are tinted, rear light tints are on, chrome delete is started.